Hi, Abby. So I just decided to actually preach to you before I leave home. So as I was reading the Bible, I got this lovely verses, Ndamawana. And as you can see, they're actually saying the same story, the same thing, meaning I did not come across them just for no reason. But it actually means that God was trying to talk to me. He was trying to talk to us. Um So, as you can see, Mark 10, verse 15 is actually saying that, therefore, I tell you, whatever you ask in prayer, believe that you have received it and it will be yours. Jeremiah 29, verse 11 is saying that that dream was planted in your heart for a reason. Chase it. Trust God that He will guide you to achieve greatness in your life. Then Joshua 1 verse 5 says, no one will be able to stand against you all the days of your life. As he was with Moses, so shall he be with you forever in your life. He will never leave you. So, zvinotaura mavhisi aya ndezvekudai. So God is actually trying to tell us, hapana paunonamata uine faith, uine hope, uchiziva, uchibhilivha. Hapana paunonamata kuna Mwari uchikumbira chinhu kubva kuna Mwari wachiregera kukupindura. That's very much impossible. He is trying to ask us, he is trying to tell us to pray and believe that whatever we are praying for, we should not have doubt, but instead we should believe in whatever we are praying for in our lives. For He is God, and there is no way He is ever going to forsake us. He has made us, and by His stripes we are healed. And He has made us, and He expects us to believe in Him. So when we are praying, let's just not pray just kungoti, I'm just telling God this, but we should also believe and also have faith, but that no, it is going to happen. Ndatonamata zvatoitika in my life right now. We shouldn't let the devil manipulate us to an extent that we doubt kuti zvandanamata nematadziro andoita Mwari wanokwanisa kundiregerere. No. Because Mark 10 verse 15 says, therefore I tell you, whatever you ask in prayer, believe that you have received it and it will be yours. You should believe. Meaning kuti when you pray, you should already know kuti no, zvandatoudza Mwari zvatoita, zvatopindurwa naMwari. You know, when I was reading these Bible verses, I felt peace in my heart. Because I know kuti zvese zvandanga ndichinamatira, it is going to happen. I never wanted to tell you this, but let me tell you now. When you came in my life, before you came in my life, I had gone through a very big heartbreak and I was trying to heal. So as I was trying to heal, I was failing to heal actually. So I had to fast for like 3 days. It wasn't 3 days and 3 nights, it was just 3 days. I would break nafo, ndichikwira gomo each and every day. I think ndakakwira gomo for like 5 days, but ndakafasta for 3 days. So as there is this last time randakakwira gomo. The last time randakakwira gomo ini. I met this other prophet, this other guy. He told me that you are praying for someone who loves you. You should believe. Akatonditi anzi, ukaona uchikwirira gomo kuti uwane murume anokuda, zvinoreva kuti you believe, and zvichatoitika nekuti murume anokuda haangouyi ega. Sometimes it's luck, but kazhinji unenge watorikwirira gomo and anouya. Do you know what it did not take you weeks for you to come in my life. And if you are to ask my mom, ndakavaudza. Even though my mom didn't know about the heartbreak, ndakangoudza ndikati, mama, I met this man of God mugomo. Munhu wewe wekuti anga akapfeka zvinhu zvekuti zvanga zvakabvaruka bvaruka zvekutoti waitozvibvunza kuti paakatondimisa ndirimo mugomo ndakuda kunamata. I was crying even. Achitoti ndaingokuona first time randakakuona, I heard your message, but then I was like, no, ndichamuona hangu, pane dhera ndichakwanisa kuti ndidini nditaura naye ofichi ndandisingatomboaoni mugomo imomo. Ndokwakutori kutotanga kutowaonawo. Not kuti munhu akateerera munamato wangu akandinzwa ndichinamata, no, haana kutombondinzwa ndichinamata, anga ari kure. And time yakazoyozotaura neni ndanga ndisati ndatombotanga unamata, ndichatongobva kukwira ndichitobvisa bhusu kuti aregai ndinamate. Zvikanzi, right now you should start praying. Pauri kunamata, don't say you want a man who has got everything, but ask God for a man who prays, for a man who knows who God is, for a man who knows how to love a lady. And I had to pray for that. It did not even take you a month for you to conduct me, for you to come in my life. And I would like to tell you right now that the same big miracle that happened to me is about to happen in your life right now. I just want you to have faith. And I just want you to believe when you're praying that, yes, you are praying, but it is already happened. Not that it is going to happen, but it is already zvatotanga. I want you to believe in everything. You know, your past doesn't define you. It can never define the strong man that you are, the man that you are right now, the man that I love, the man who knows who God is, the man I have found through God, through prayer, through fasting. I want you to believe in everything. I want you to believe in God. I want you to be strong, for this journey is not going to be easy, but the results are very sweet. And I actually love the fact that you pray a lot. I actually love that you understand me. I'm not a talkative person. I have so much. I've been through so much, and it has made me so quiet. I was never like this, but I had to be quiet, but the quietness has actually taught me a lot of things. And I just hope you're never gonna hurt me. Well, I believe you're not gonna hurt me. So back to our story. Mwari wanototsanangura vachiti, and Mwari vanototaura vachiti, kana indini ndichinge ndati zvinoitika chete, kana Mwari vachingoti zvinoitika, not even me can stop your blessings. Not even the person you actually think ani kana kuti mapowers anichi. Not even anyone, not even witchcraft can stop God from blessing you. For your name is blessing. I actually need you to be strong. And I actually thank you so much for coming into my life. It's such an honor. And I would want you to always know that I really do love you a lot. Even though I don't say it every time. But I really, really do love you a lot, Mr. Blessing Togarepi, my husband to be. I want you to pray, and when you pray, I don't want you to just pray, but I want you to believe that it is done. For it is done already. There is something big that is about to happen, a big shift in your life that you're not realizing. But for it to happen, you have to be prayerful. You have to believe. You have to have faith. And you know, Kuti, when something big is about to happen, a lot of obstacles, you might face them. But when facing them, when facing those kind of battles, you have to be strong. You have to be prayerful. You have to have faith in God. You have to believe in Him, because He is always going to be with you. He is with you already. He has known you. So what makes you think Kuti, He will leave you? We are all sinners, but Jesus died for us. And by His stripes we were healed. By His stripes we were forgiven. By His stripes we were born again. So if there was a point in life that you were actually losing hope, not telling me, or in a hidden dark room that you were, I want you to know that there is still hope. But something big is about to happen, a very big shift that you were not expecting. I repeat, something big is about to happen. I am saying this, and I believe it is going to happen, and I know it is about to happen. That door that you actually thought it was never gonna open, that door that you actually thought it was closed by the enemy, blessing, it is about to open. It is about to open in Jesus' name. Everything that has been taken away from you, it is restored in Jesus' name. I pray God heals you. All those unhealed wounds that you have that you never share with me, I pray He heals you. I pray you keep on believing. I pray you stand strong. I pray you never give up. And if there is a point in life when you ever think of giving up, I want you to think of that your past and ask yourself, I've been through so much, so what is this? I can't give up now. Because you can't. Because your success is here already. It's not far. It's not decades away. It's already happening. I love you. I am about to leave for work. So, Auntie nemunhu uya anosona andiudza kuti hanzi by 3 anenge apedza, saka ndangota ndinokuonai mangwana maxeni kuti ndizonatsosvika adi apedza, because unozosvika munhu achiri kutosona and so on. So ndamuti ndiri kunatsouya ndichicollecta mangwana maxeni so that ndisamhanyise, because ukazomhanyisa munhu taana 3 yacho ndiri kuuya unosvika wasonerwa zvimwe zvinhu zvisingaite. Have a good day, my love. Take care, and in whatever you do today, please pray. And about those issues, the contracts, everything, it's about to happen. You're going to tell me, just wait and see. You're going to share your testimony. It's not far from now. And I am waiting patiently for you to tell me, because I know it's not far from now, and God knows. I'm not just saying this just because I just woke up saying I have to preach to this guy. No, I didn't have the words. But I did ask God to help me talk to you. I love you so much, my husband. Take care.